Welcome to another unit in this Excel course. This time I'm going to talk about how you can actually keep someone from seeing your VBA programs. In other words, if you build a macro and don't want someone to see this, that's how you can go about this. The side bonus on this is once you've used the very hidden option on one of your worksheets, as I did in this example with a sheet 3, which cannot be seen here, cannot be unhidden from this part, and you don't want the users to see this as well, don't want to unhide this as well, you can use actually the same approach as with getting someone to not access your VBA code, your macros. For this, however, you need to have the developers menu. This can be activated with options if it's not visible to you. And there you can click on Visual Basic. So this leads you here to the Visual Basic view, where you have the general overview, project overview here. It shows you the different sheets. And well, here you see this sheet 3, which was very hidden. So if I do not want someone to actually access this code, access the information of the sheets, I could go on my project, right click on the project, and here I have project properties. Whereas the first part is only general information, second part is on protection. And here I have two possibilities to go about this. Could either only enter password. So in this case, this shows me project properties, to view project properties. However, well, someone might open this and might take a look here and see, there is something hidden. So if you want to prevent this as well, you can click Lock Project for viewing. So then he cannot even open this, does not know what this project contains. However, well, you need to save this for this to become active, because if I just go here, type in short password, click OK, well then the password is set, but still I could open this, could see this, nothing changes. Even if I close the VBA monitor, go back here, it's still open. So I would have to save the Excel file, open the Excel file again, and only then will this part be hidden. Okay, how will this look like? Well, here I have the Excel solver as an add-in, and well, they didn't want you to actually see what they did in their programming. So if I try to open this, this is what happens. They want me to enter a password. That's actually what you see now if you try to open here the VBA project, because they set it in a similar fashion. I cannot even view what's inside this part because they also activated the lock viewing option. So that's how you can achieve the same thing for your VBA project, or in this regard for your Excel objects. So no one can actually change the properties of your sheets, at least not via this VBA viewer. So in other words, someone who does not know the password cannot unhide your very hidden sheets. And well, that's already all there is on this unit. So I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was relatively short. And if you want to see additional input on Excel, feel free to visit the rest of this course or have a look at the corresponding playlist. I say goodbye and see you next time.